Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll be walking you through how to create an effective landing page using the Instapage platform. And trust me, it's a game changer. So I found Instapage when I was having a hard time getting sales, so it was like finding a hidden treasure. And for the longest time, I thought that landing pages were just another name for the homepage of a website, but I was so wrong. Landing pages are the unique pages that people visit after clicking on an ad or a link, and the goal is to get people to do something, like sign up for a free trial, buy something, or download an ebook, which I think makes a lot of sense. And before I came across Instapage, I really liked my website and thought it looked really good. But then I learned how important landing pages really are for increasing conversions, which opened my eyes. Because with Instapage, I can make landing pages that perfectly match the ads people click on, which has made my marketing strategy a lot better. It felt like the puzzle pieces had all come together, and I had a clear picture of how to move forward. I also learned something very important from this experience. Using multiple targeted landing pages can have a huge effect on the marketing efforts of any business, but especially those that operate online. So in this video, I'm going to talk about everything I know about using Instapage. I'll get into their features, plans and pricing, as well as the pros and cons. And this information will be very helpful, whether you're thinking about using Instapage for your next ad campaign, or if you just want to boost the number of visitors to your website. I really enjoy how Instapage has changed the way I market, and I hope that this video helps you figure out if this is the right service for you and your specific needs. Now, just to be clear, I review different companies and get affiliate links, including Instapage. But my advice wouldn't mean anything if I wasn't being completely honest with you guys, which I always do. And if at any point you want to try out Instapage, I have a special affiliate discount link for you in the description below. This link gives you an extra discount that you won't find by going directly to their website, and gives me a commission, which is good for the both of us. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so if you don't know much about Instapage, it's a subscription service that's hosted in the cloud and is used to make landing pages that can be used on their own to interact with customers, get leads, and to make more sales. I also really like that you don't need to know how to design or code to use it, which makes it an even better option, especially since I'm not very creative. That being said, it's full of tools to help you make landing pages that work and bring in sales, like ad mapping, AI-generated content, heat maps, and split testing tools. These are just a few of the advanced features that really caught my attention. These tools let you use your user data to make well-designed landing pages that not only load faster, but also help you reach your marketing goals. There are ways to get from an ad to a landing page that are specific to each ad, market segment, or area. This lets you reach your marketing goals with targeted, personalized content that increases sales and gives you information you can use later on. Okay, so making my own landing page was one of the things I learned after using Instapage. And what's so cool is that they even offer a landing page tutorial and a step-by-step guide that explains every step of how to build a landing page and what it should include. I was also really impressed by how their customer support is so professional and quick to respond. Besides that, they tell you everything that you need to know about landing pages. Now, once you have a basic understanding of how things work, you can start using their user-friendly drag-and-drop page creation tool. And from personal experience, I say that picking one of their 80 fully mobile responsive templates is very easy. Once your landing pages are designed and ready, you can use the tools I mentioned earlier to test and analyze your campaigns, as well as collect useful information about your visitors. Plus, this tool also makes it easy to work with a client or team in real time. Now that we've covered all the features that Instapage offers, let's move on to the plans and pricing. So when it comes to their subscription plans, they offer the Build plan for about $200 a month if you choose it for an entire year, or about $300 if you want to pay monthly, which makes it ideal for people who are just starting out with using landing pages or for small businesses. And to be honest, it has everything that you need to create and optimize post-click landing pages if your aim is to boost sales. And another good thing about this plan is that it doesn't have any conversion or domain limits. You get full access to the landing page creator, a pick of useful widgets, and all the optimization tools like the post-click scoring system that lets you know how well individual campaigns are doing. And what really sells this plan to me is that the landing pages are easy to integrate with your existing website because they are already independently hosted in the Instapage cloud, and they are already GDPR compliant and SSL encrypted. So aside from creating and personalizing landing pages, you can also build forms to capture data from visitors by using their AI-driven content generator. Now, you might be concerned when it comes to creating multiple landing pages and the hassle that brings with it, but their Instablocks feature cures that headache by allowing you to reuse blocks of content from your personal library whenever you create a new page. Another cool feature is AMP or accelerated mobile pages for campaigns targeted at phone users, and I gotta hand it to them for including this feature to create these sleek, out-of-the-box mobile landing pages that load fast so people stay engaged. And you also benefit from integration with Zapier, HubSpot, Salesforce, and Marketo. But if you have a bigger business, agency, or team and need more pages than the standard use would cover, you can opt for the Convert plan, which can be customized to fit your needs and goals. This is the expanded use package that basically has all the same features as the others, except the amount of use and pages you can create. On the flip side though, you need to get a demo of Instapage because they don't have a price for this plan on their website. So to sum it up, both plans are fully customizable with lots of advanced features. For instance, you can get a visual ad map of your campaigns, or a heat map that shows what actions visitors take and how long they spend on your landing pages. This helps you find and fix issues related to user experience, like buttons that aren't being used because they are placed too far down. And speaking of other add-ons, they include audit logs, bulk leads, page migration, custom fonts and integration, conversion consulting, and design services, or your very own customer success manager. And if Instapage sounds like the right tool for you, but you want to try it before you commit, all the plans come with a 14-day free trial. But once you subscribe, you only have 24 hours to qualify for a full refund. So if you change your mind for whatever reason, you have to let them know right away. Otherwise, your subscription is not refundable and will carry on to the end. So make use of that 2-week free trial if you're unsure. If at any point you decide to try out Instapage, you can use the link in the description below. It doesn't cost you anything, and you get a bit of a discount, which you wouldn't get if you went directly to their website. Now, I want to tell you about my personal experience with Instapage. So overall, it was pretty good. I needed a way to track the effectiveness of my pay-per-click ads because it can be a bit annoying sometimes. Plus, I also wanted to use forms to get information from my clients. But what got me most excited was trying out different things like deals, sales, and calls to action to see what works best. And I have to say that the A/B testing feature really helped me learn some cool things. Another thing I loved was Instapage's template library, which gave me a lot of different page styles that I could change up. It also gave me ideas for new things to write, and you could improve and build your landing pages in a lot of different ways. So I really like that Instapage included the drag and drop tool. It saved me a lot of time and effort, but I do think they could have added more widgets. But the ones they did include, like movies, images, and different buttons, were enough for my basic needs. Also, Instablocks is my favorite feature because it lets me use the same pre-made assets on any page I create, like the testimonial block that shows nice quotes from happy clients, instead of starting from scratch each time. Anyway, I remember the first time I used their landing page tutorial to make a landing page and how helpful it was. And more importantly, why you need to build it a certain way to get more conversions. So I think a small business would benefit from a more affordable plan. But I want to point out that the money I spent had paid off pretty well so far. I've been able to target people in specific areas with my marketing, which has worked out really well. It's also easy to see what works and what doesn't with their built-in data, which kept me from spending money on ads that weren't bringing in any sales. Okay, as I said before, I've worked with a number of landing page builders, and Instapage stands out as the most advanced. And it's extremely important to remember, though, that this kind of advanced feature costs money. Some of the other options like Unbounce, Lead Pages, or ClickFunnels might be better for you if your needs are different or if money is tight. Starting with Unbounce, it has a lot in common with Instapage. For example, both have heat maps and tools for working together to leave notes, which are great for team projects. The cheapest plan from Unbounce costs about $100 less per month than the cheapest plan from Instapage. On the other hand, Instapage is better at responding to mobile devices, has a simpler page builder, and in my experience, runs more smoothly and without bugs. Next is Lead Pages, which might be the best option for you if cost is the most important aspect. Their basic plan start at about $50 a month. Lead Pages is one of a kind because it lets you add pop-ups to landing pages. Still, I personally found this feature to be more annoying than useful. Also, after getting used to how easy and flexible the Instapage editor was, moving back to Lead Pages felt limiting, and it took a lot of work to get the page to look the way I wanted it to. Lastly, there's the ClickFunnels, which costs about $50 less per month than Instapage. It has extra tools like lead capture, email integration, and customer checkout processes. ClickFunnels could be used to make landing pages, but it doesn't have as many complicated features as Instapage. Also, its templates are not as good-looking, responsive, or well-designed as Instapage. Anyway, wrapping up this review of Instapage, it's the best thing that you can use to reach your marketing and sale goals. My experience with Instapage has taught me a lot about well-designed landing pages. At first, I was worried about how much it would cost, but now I see it as a great investment. Just the statistics have given me a lot of information that has helped me to make the best use of my money for advertising. So overall with Instapage, every dollar I've spent on ads has worked really well and given me real results. So if you're asking me, I would highly recommend anyone with enough money to invest in Instapage. It has completely changed my marketing plan and has repeatedly shown itself to be a smart investment. So that'll be all for today. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please like and subscribe for more. And again, if you want to try out Instapage, I have a special affiliate discount link for you in the description below. This link gives you an extra discount that you won't find by going directly to their website, and gives me a commission, which is good for the both of us. And if you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below, and I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as I can. Other than that, thank you so much for watching and have a great day.